So hello dear students, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So this video is one of the awaited video that I was trying to make for you all. Anyone can hack your social media if you are not knowing about all these points that I am going to explain in this video. So just be with the end and we will understand all the points how anyone can hack your social media and how anyone can get access to your social media accounts without your permission. So the first point that you need to consider to not take permission of your social media, the first point is password. Always make a unique password. Like password marks a square one in your protection. Like with a strong and unique password across all your accounts, formally, primarily, line of defense. Anyone can hack your social media if your password is just simple. Anyone can guess it out. Suppose anyone your family member want to guess your password. Suppose I am making a password like SAMIR123 and anyone can just guess it out like SAMIR123 and anyone can get access to it. Even a non-technical background from a person other than hacking, they can also guess it and open your social media account. So always make a unique password and try to add first add some digit and also add some character like hashtag, @ and star and slash, all these things, and you can also add some characters at the end or at the beginning in capital or in a small, so that anyone can feel it very hard to guess it out. There are 26 letters in English, and if you are putting random capital small, then it will take 26 into 26 into 26. You will think how it work. Their system need that type of calculation to do it for to hack your Instagram or any other social media password. So moving next, go private. Going private doesn't mean that making your profile private. It simply means that you can be public, but you can you have to just post the pictures. Like if you are suppose traveling to the Delhi, but at the same time you are not going to post all these things on your social media. Suppose the person who know me, they are knowing that I never post the current things on my social media. Like if I am posting I am in temple, that doesn't mean I am presently on that temple. I might be at home, I might be in Delhi, I might be in Simla, anywhere else. Never post your current location on your social media. Actually, I have a simple logic. Suppose someone is spying on you, and at the time you are posting I am in Delhi or I am in the hill, so they can simply search you, where are you, and they can simply your privacy matters. Being private doesn't mean that you are just becoming infamous. Many celebrity also do the same thing. They never post where are they. Okay, so go private. Never post the current situation on your social media. So moving next, avoid strangers. Nearly 1.8 billions. You better know that there are so many Instagram or Facebook account at that kind of people doesn't exist in real life. 1.8 billion fake account reject such request. If the people are just sending you a request, just reject it if you are not knowing and if their account are not looking genius. How to see that that account is genuine? Just check their post. You can check the random post and you can check the comments, and you can check if you really want to accept that request. Otherwise simply reject it. Avoid strangers. Suppose you are just making a friend as strangers, and not every strangers are bad, but some are bad. Someone will just make a friendship with you, they can share with a link just like my video, and if you open that link, it doesn't mean I don't have to explain that what a link can do. A link can simply take the access of your bank account. A link, simple link, that even I am a beginner, I can make a link that can simply, if you click on that, you all end, every privacy are ended. So never do that. So moving next, don't share personal things. I have also explained, in social media, if you think that deleting for everyone means deleting, it's a big you are in a big trap. Suppose on a social media you are sending some message and you think that if you are posting a picture, personal picture, and after some hour you are deleting it, it doesn't mean it is deleted, it is recorded somewhere. Suppose I am giving you example, you search something on Facebook, you search something on Instagram, you are getting the ad of it on Google, or if you are using any social media, it means that your data is just trapped somewhere, and that algorithm is using that data to show you that ad. That means everything that you are posting on the social media are getting copied somewhere else, and that is being used by the big companies. Now just think, if that company is being hacked, if the company is being manipulated, now you think how it can be dangerous. So don't share personal thing nowhere on the social media, or not keep it. Don't keep anything in your mobile, like anything personal, anything I don't have to explain what is a personal, but it's according to the person, it's different, but never keep things like that. So the next point the next point is phishing. I have explained in my video. You can just scroll down, and you can also check the I button, or at the end of the video I will tag that phishing video. You have to understand that how phishing works, how a simple link and how a simple website can hack you all your life. So I don't have to explain more, because I have explained all that thing in that video. You can just watch out that video. Just phishing is a technique that is used to hack the social media account. Simply, it's not a hack, it's just a simple trick that anyone can get your password of your social media account, and that can be checked by anyone. But to deal with that, you have to just how to avoid phishing. You can turn on two-step verification. After turning on two-step verification, no one can log into your social media with the help of phishing. But it doesn't mean that that is safe 100%, because OTP verification also can be bypassed by some hackers. So don't think that phishing is a can be overcome by the two-step verification. So avoid phishing, I have also explained. So hope I have explained all the things that is required to save your Instagram, Facebook or social media account. And the last thing that I want to add is digital literacy. You have to be aware about all these things, all the social media things, how things are and the technology are changing time by time to make your social media safe. So hope I have explained, and be safe, be happy, and subscribe the channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.